Welcome back to the videos. I hope you guys liked the last video. It was getting this car. It's been a fat minute, but today I'm bringing to you guys some mods, a little bit, tiny little mods, okay? The car is covered right now. We're about to be in spring. One more week, couple more days. We're back in spring. We actually gotta put the battery back. I took the battery out. Here's a little montage, you feel me? Yeah.
Hello guys.
Hey, show him the start button, bro.
What start button? Oh, that'll be next. You feel me? So basically, this connects to your OBD2 port. Plugs right in.
I know, you just yonk it off, you know, break the clips.
I don't think so, bro.
All good, all
I
good.
don't want to do that. Basically, stick this, shimmy your way through, and then just don't break no clips. You feel me? Basically, we gotta take out the housing. So this piece can just fit right in the middle. Dope. Yo, we did it. Dope. And that's it. We gotta hook it onto that thing right there. I don't know if y'all see it. Run the wire down and then zip tie it. All right, so I'm actually gonna continue this video another day. We're actually missing some things for this piece. I'll pick you guys back up in a bit. All right, so today is actually the next day. I picked it up. We were just missing zip ties. We are replacing this. This is actually the P3 gauge, vent gauge. All the mods, I'll link it down in the description. I didn't notice that this was chrome, so I might replace it. I don't know if y'all can see, where the flashlight is. There's a little bracket right there. There's a couple holes. We're gonna put this module right up in there. A couple other things. We're gonna also do the Apple CarPlay. We're also gonna do the red start stop button. And we are gonna put the phone mount right at the hazard lights. I'll show you guys how to do it. These are small little mods. Just stay tuned to the next mods. It's not just these, I promise. I'm just trying to get this going. You feel me? I just wanted these little mods. Oh, also we're gonna install this as well. I forgot. It's a washer. It's gonna be for the clutch. There's too much play in the clutch. There's too much room from the floor and the bite point. So I'm trying to end that real quick. It feels kind of funny. So that's what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. Simple mods. You guys can do it yourself. It's not that hard. The only thing you guys would really need is this tool right here, or any kind of trim tools. Very handy. You really do need it. I'm thinking of wrapping this wire with some electrical tape. Yeah, I'll be right back. Let me grab electrical tape. This one, yoink. Tape. Alright, cool. So this is done. I'm gonna let you guys know where I zip tie it. Yeah, so we've successfully wired it, or got the wire out. Simple task. We're gonna plug this back in, plug it where it fits. So the little tab goes into this. When you hear that clip, you're all good. So what I'm gonna do is wire it to this bar right here. To be honest, I think right here will be perfect. I was gonna wire to this brown thing here. I don't know if y'all see it. This thing I'm tapping. There's a little hole on the side, so I was gonna wire it to that. Hopefully it doesn't hit this. It should clear it. It should for sure clear. I'm gonna actually take this and plug this in right now, so I don't gotta plug it in later. Cut. I'm using 2 zip ties. I'm putting one on the module, and then I'm gonna put one to tie it onto that little piece. Oh, my hand's cramping. I hate that. Cool. All it is, zip tied it. I'm gonna tighten it and then try to tuck all the wires in. Let's see how it goes. Right. This thing. It's kind of bright. So you see. Put this back. I'm gonna tuck all the wires down, and then basically the wire will run behind everything and it'll come back out. Hopefully I'll never have to take this out ever again. Alright, so we're gonna plug this in. Take this off. You know. Hey, shopmusashiapparel.com. Link in the description. Barely any wires are showing. Let me show you guys real quick. Just a tad bit, not a lot. Focus. Yeah, right there. I'm gonna start the car and see if it works. And press once. Oh, it's working. Alright, we're gonna start the car. Ooh. Car start. Turn on. Yes! Success. We got this working. We checked it. It works. So now we're gonna put it back in to place. I don't want any wires to get caught up in here. So now all we have to do is push this back in and then this mod is completed. It's done. Alright guys, so that is it for this P3 vented gauge. This next clip you guys are gonna see is actually recorded a couple days ago, but this is the install for the Apple CarPlay. Today we are installing Apple CarPlay. Unfortunately, my 2018 M2 did not come with Apple CarPlay, but it's not a problem. I found someone online that does Apple CarPlay. It's not really too expensive. First step you have to do, you have to go into the settings. Go to navigations and then you'll go to your settings, and right at settings you'll see position and software version. Hop in there and then we'll click software version, and what we're looking for is this part where it says Evo M17345i. You only really need the M17. Grab that information from your car and then you go to the person and see if your screen is compatible with these other versions. After you find out your software, you'll talk to the person. They'll email you a download of the software file, and you'll also get instructions of how to do it. First step is to download the file, which we already did, onto a USB. We just plug it into the car. Plug it right into this one. Plug it right up. And then we just wait 30 seconds. 30. And then we'll take it out. So as you take it out, you'll hold this volume button for 15 to 20 seconds. And then it'll go black, and then you just let go. After you let go, it'll reboot. You'll wait a few seconds, and then it should hop onto a blue screen. iDrive will reboot automatically. But look, it shuts off, and then it should pop a blue screen up with all these different like coding. So basically now we just gotta wait for this to finish uploading everything and installing. We'll wait 5 minutes, and then yeah, that's about it. That's Apple CarPlay for y'all. So we'll wait 5 minutes. Right now it's 8:12, so right when it turns 8:17, hold this down for 20 seconds again, but we gotta wait 5 minutes. So we're just gonna sit here for 5 minutes. It'll be pretty quick. So basically set a message saying you have to delete your device and then reconnect so your Apple CarPlay can work again. So we did it again. We forgot the device, and then basically we paired Bluetooth with the car. It'll ask you a question saying, do you want to pair this with Apple CarPlay? You say yes. You confirm it, and then a little message will pop up on your phone saying, do you want to connect this to Apple CarPlay? Press confirm on your phone, and then it runs through your thing, and then boop, it popped up. So this is Apple CarPlay. I didn't have this in my previous car, so yeah, it's not, I think it's a life-changing thing, bro. This pretty f***ing lit, man. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go upload the file on here. The file name is called FSC, and then basically you'll go to navigation. Navigation will tell you when you press on it, connect USB device with correct activation code to start navigation. So got it in here. We'll plug it right in to the USB again. Wait like a couple seconds, it's gonna start again. I am actually gonna put in my information in here, and then your navigation should be working perfectly fine. Navigation is good now. We got Apple CarPlay. Let's go install the little foot knob for the clutch. Let's go install that piece right now. As you can see, the clutch, you push down all the way. There's a lot of room in the back where we are going to plug this plug in. There's a little plug place where you can plug this in. That little knob right there, that white knob, we're gonna take that off. Then we're gonna put this little stopper in there. Pull it out real quick. Tweak. Knob is out. Yeah, so basically that is out. Now it's a hole. We're gonna put this right in there. Taking that and pushing it all the way in.
Hello, we're at the progress where Davis is struggling. Let me show you guys. He's in an uncomfortable position. So I don't know if you guys should do it. If you want to, go for it.
I realized that you're supposed to push and spin.
Just don't put yourself in this situation. It's not worth it. Alright, we'll get back to you when we're done. I don't know how long that'll be, but we'll be right back.
It's almost in. Alright guys. Oh, my arm, my fingers, my hand. That little piece fully flushed in. I was just spinning it. So yeah, now it's a lot shorter. No, the little washer area, it just killed this little dead space from it. Small little mod. Again, I can link all this in the description. Start stop button, changing it to red. I actually like the red a lot more. There's a couple ways to do it, to take this whole assembly out. Alright, cool. So this is in. Pop this part out first. Just work your way around it. Pretty simple. It's out now. Boop. That's it. You're gonna disconnect this. There's a little tab on top. You push in. You pull it. This is out now. Basically, there's these clips all around. We're taking this top part off first. So it's off. When you push the button, pushes this. We are replacing this black piece. There's two tabs in here. Use like a pick tool or like a flathead or something. Pull the tabs inwards, and then this should come off. Let me show you guys. Here's a pick tool. Grab the pick, push it in. That's one tab. They're very soft. Grab two pick tools. We're gonna dissect this end. Oh, whoa. We're changing these. We don't need it. Alright, so we're basically putting this in. So you see the tabs. Now you could pull it out, but here's the thing. Sometimes the tabs don't clip in inside. So you have to manually like push it in, which is simple. Done. That's it. So you put everything how you took it off. You push this in. Cool. So now, dope. So we're gonna plug this back in. Here a clip. Clip's good. Then you just push this, shimmy it back in. Boop. Now it's good. Oh, cool. Quick install. I think it looks 10 times better. With the light off, you can see it glowing. It looks good. I like it. It's cool. Alright, next install. Y'all ready? We're almost done. We're so close. These tiny little mods just take a little bit long. But here's the next one. We're gonna install this the other day. I'm not a fan of it, and it doesn't charge. So came up with a solution with this Apple charger, the wireless charging, and with Redline phone mount. It's more minimalistic. Basically sit right here. This little tab is gonna be out. I'm gonna actually wire the charger through, probably like through the glove box, and then down this way. I already took out some trim. And then into this glove box and use this port to charge the phone. Basically, you gotta just take out the trims. It's actually not that hard. Like this one, you have to take the top portion off first, crack it open, and then pull from the bottom, and then it should come out smooth. This one, you just gotta yank it from both sides, and then the clips will come off. Then unplug this. Right now, we can't really unplug this other one, so we're just holding it up. It's super quick because we gotta take out these what is it? This is a T20. Right here and right here. After we take that out, we can kind of pop it out a little bit, and then we'll put this in, and then the T20 will screw into this top portion, and they'll sit flush. I'll pick you guys back up when we are done. It is done. We have installed the Magsafe Redline phone mount. Minimalistic. You can't really see anything. That's only that little piece. Sticks out like that. We use the Magsafe adapter, and then we bought a Magsafe charger, wireless charging, and then we wired it through the bottom. We took the center console off, and then we wired it through this. The tricky part was wiring it through here all the way to the other side. This is where the other wire is coming out from. I don't know if y'all can see it right here. And then it plugs into the inside of this. Yeah, it wasn't too bad. Without taking off the whole center console, wiring the wire through onto the other side was a bit difficult because I didn't want to run it through this side. I didn't really know where to put it on this side. I just picked up the camera, I'm sorry. But I'm just here to explain to you guys about how I feel about the car. Like with the installed little washers, it makes a big difference. I love it. It literally takes away that empty space when you press down on your clutch, brings it up a lot closer to the bite point, which I feel like it's a lot smoother than having it stock. P3 gauge comes in very handy when you want to look at your oil temps, because you don't want to keep switching it back and forth. I personally love having my miles per hour right in the middle, so that's dope. And what else? The red button is sexy. I love that shit. It gives a little pop of color in the car, you know? Hello. Right now we're actually taking some pictures. Oh, flare! Oh, I caught that.
My pants, bro.
Taking some pictures over here with some lights. So basically, this is everyone. We had some other people with us earlier. Yeah, it's cold. It's freezing. You know, 50 degrees weather. Did you slide your shit?
No, I'm sore.
Oh, fuck. But yeah, so yeah, no. 10 out of 10 would do these small little mods to your car. It kind of gives it a little
Chest kiss.
yeah. But yeah, so I'm gonna take some photos. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys haven't yet, drop a like, comment something. I don't know, let's have a conversation. Plenty more videos to come out soon because it's getting warmer. Next week it's gonna be around the 50s, which is warm as hell for us. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Have a great day. Bye.